Putting all rumours and hype surrounding BJP inner seat candidate to rest, BJP has named Education Minister Basanta Kumar as the party's candidate to contest from the inner Manipur parliamentary constituency. The development followed after a marathon meeting of the party held today in the state BJP office. The meeting was chaired by BJP national spokesperson Sambit Patra, also attended by state BJP leaders including its president A. Sarda Devi. With this, so far there are altogether 6 intending candidates in the fray for the 2 parliamentary seats of Manipur. Notably, in the outer constituency, the BJP had announced support for the Naga People's Front NPF candidate K. Timothy Jimmick. Opposition Congress is contesting in both constituencies, including former MLA Alfred K. Arthur from the outer seat and Professor Bimola Koijam from inner seat. While Maheshwar Thaungnaucham was named the candidate of Republican Party of India, Athawale actor turned social activist R.K. Somorendro, popularly known as Kaiku, had filed his nomination as a Manipur People's Party MPP candidate to contest from the inner seat. The last date of filing the nomination papers is 3 p.m. tomorrow. The scrutiny for the nomination papers will be held on March 28. The last date of the withdrawal of candidature is 3 p.m. on March 13. Manipur will go to polls in 2 phases, April 19th and April 26th for 2 parliamentary seats.